Sony Google TVs already make it easy to keep tabs on your favorite movies and series with curated recommendations. But did you know Voice Search takes it to another level? Now, before you say, Voice Search, big deal, I need you to hear me out because this is how Voice Search should be. With more and more apps, it can be difficult to remember where to find a specific movie or series. Well, Sony BRAVIA's Voice Search fixes that in a snap. All you have to do is press the microphone button on your remote and say what you're looking for. On certain models, you can even speak directly to your TV without your remote. Whether it's a show title, a director, or a specific actor, the Sony BRAVIA Voice Search will show you all the content available from every app that you've signed into. Let that sink in just a bit. No more jumping between apps and doom scrolling until you finally settle on something because you couldn't find what you're really looking for. It's like having a personal TV assistant that does all the heavy lifting for you. So, you're getting to your content faster than ever and can see options from all your favorite apps simultaneously. In a world where time is limited, this feature is a superhero. Plus, Voice Search doesn't stop at finding movies and series. Having the Google Assistant built in means you can control thousands of compatible smart home devices with your voice right through your TV. If you already have a compatible Sony BRAVIA TV, press the mic button and say Voice Hints to see just a few of the commands that are possible. So, if you're all about watching more and searching less, Voice Search on Sony BRAVIA TVs is a feature you need to be using. Thanks for watching.